What's happening in downtown Chicago real estate? Let's take a look at this month's Chicago housing market update. We're going to look at the lakefront communities, starting first with single-family homes. In the month of July, 103 homes closed. That was down a bit from the month before and the year before that. 60 homes went under contract. That is the lowest number of homes going under contract in July since before the pandemic. 162 homes are for sale. That also is the lowest number in a July for the recent memory. What does that mean? It means an all-time high in median sales price. For the lakefront communities, we are now at $1,485,000 for a single-family home. That equates to a 2-month inventory. As you know, if you've been watching, that means it takes 2 months to sell out what's on the market, given the rate of sale. The highest number was during the pandemic in the beginning in June of 2020, when we had 6 months worth of inventory, but it's definitely a seller's market right now. The numbers year to date, this is January through July, and it's in terms of dollars, not in terms of numbers, and it's up almost 24%. That's because of previous months where we had good sales, brisk numbers, but also the increase in sales price. All right, let's switch over to attached. Attached, as you know, means condos, co-ops, and townhomes. 961 closed in the month of July, 837 under contract. And again, lowest July that we have seen since before the pandemic. 1,834 are currently for sale, another record low, which means a 2.2-month supply of attached properties in the lakefront communities. 460,000 would be an all-time high, except it's the same number as it was last month. All right, in terms of year to date, $3.8 billion worth of attached properties have closed since the beginning of the year, up almost 8% from the year before that, which was up 11%. Mortgage rates dipped a little this week. Freddie Mac has them at 6.63 on average, and the average rent here in Chicago is $2,180 per month. That is down a little bit from last year, relatively unchanged from the month before. In terms of neighborhoods, near North Side at 2972 is the most expensive neighborhood in which to live, followed closely by the near West Side. Folks, that's what's happening in the downtown Chicago real estate market. If you have questions about your situation, please reach out. I'm Ann Rossley with Beard & Warner. Let's connect.